Yes, before we talk about Plaza Singapura, Singapore, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Plaza Singapura, Singapore is popular shopping mall located in Orchard Road, or you can drop directly from the Bigot MRT interchange, and it was first opened in 1974 and has undergone several renovations over the years to incorporate modern and contemporary features. The mall comprises of 7 floors and it is spread over an area of approximately 240,000 square feet, and it has over 300 retail shops inside, food courts, restaurants, and specialty stores that offer a diverse range of products and services to the shoppers. So Plaza Singapura, Singapore is also home to several entertainment facilities such as cinema, and the cinema will be located at 7th level of this building, a karaoke lounge, and an arcade. The mall is widely recognized for its urban vibe and attractive interiors that makes it a popular shopping destination among both tourists, locals, and foreigners as well, especially for those who are working here in Singapore. So please don't forget to explore around this building before you leaving here. So I hope guys it will help for you to track this amazing mall in the Bigot area.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la, 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 la.